Well, with that, there's some big breaking news which is coming in. Opposition leader Ghulam Nabi Azad of the Congress party, the former health minister also, has written a letter to the Prime Minister. He's given in it recommendations in order to augment vaccination in the nation. And remember, Ghulam Nabi Azad, a former Rajya Sabha MP, but also significantly the former Union Health Minister of India, he's given several recommendations in a letter that he sent to the Prime Minister. Now remember, India has undertaken one of the most ambitious and the biggest vaccination drives across the world. However, at the end of it, the problem has been the demand and the supply. Given India's population, it has been an uphill task to ensure that all the supplies are available as per the ambitious drive. Now, there are significant suggestions being made by Ghulam Nabi Azad as well. The Congress party on the whole, remember, have been very, very critical of the central government when it comes to the vaccination drive. So let me go across to Mohit Sharma, who's joining us with more details. Mohit, tell us, what has Ghulam Nabi Azad written to the Prime Minister and what are his recommendations to augment vaccination?
Well, clearly, Meghna, we've seen over the past few weeks there has been a continuous attempt by the Congress party to not just ask the central government to manufacture the vaccines in large numbers, and the same has been conveyed to the party several times. Now, you have a senior leader like Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, who's also come out and clearly written a letter to the health minister, and he's given suggestions to not just augment the health infrastructure in totality, but at the same time, he's gone on to say that certain suggestions have been made with regards to how to increase the vaccination and the number of vaccines in terms of production as well. So all of those have been are the kind of suggestions which have been made. And now, of course, the letter was written to the Prime Minister as well this morning for his consideration as well. Now, first and foremost, Ghulam Nabi Azad has asked the health ministry as well as the union government to increase the number of vaccination in terms of manufacturing as well. Now, this is something that we've seen continuously as an attempt coming in from various Congress leaders as well. Previously, you had several other leaders, including Mr. Rahul Gandhi, including Ms. Sonia Gandhi, including other leaders as well, who had clearly made attempts to bring out suggestions. This time, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad has recommended for increasing capacity of vaccinators in the country, besides ensuring more supplies for the vaccination to counter the pandemic once again. So, of course, he is once again, the suggestions are more or less on the same lines that how vaccinations and the overall number of manufacturing of these vaccines can be increased. He's written the letter same in response to the health ministry and the Prime Minister, asking them to consider these suggestions and of course increase and expedite the whole vaccination process in the country.